Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 6th generation Nissan Altima. This is a 2024 model and I will show you how to use the child locks. This video will apply to Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so first I will explain what is the purpose of child locks. So their purpose is to disable the rear interior door handles. So in case you have children driving on back seats, they cannot open the door. So right now the child lock is not enabled, and if I pull the handle, the door will open, right? So the child locks are located right here on the edge of the door. You see there is like even a small symbol that says lock and a small like a switch. I want to push this switch down to the lock position. Okay, and now I will show you. If I close this door all the way and I try to use this door handle, nothing happens. I cannot open the door. Now the exterior door handle will still work, but the interior will not. And you have to do it separately for the other door if you want to enable both of them. So same thing, here is the switch, you push it down and that enables the child lock. To disable it, just push it to the starting position, and that's everything you have to do. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.